how to get a stuck bit out of a DeWALT Impact Driver. So if your bit won't come out, now it's not stuck if you don't doesn't pull out like that. You need to put it on the surface, get this collar here. This is obviously if you don't know how to remove a bit, pull it forward and remove the bit. However, if you're trying this and it's not coming out, what I recommend is to get some lubricant like WD-40 for instance, spray it all the way around the bit and leave it like that for a couple of hours. Overnight would be perfect. Then come back, get some maybe mold grips, grab this, hold it forward, see it's popped out, but let's pretend it's not popping out, hold it forward, get something to grip this, maybe another pair of mold grips, and then pull it, and if it doesn't come, what I recommend is just slightly tapping the bit at the end here, then trying it, and what will normally happen is that it gets a little bit of a rust on here and rusts into the chuck section here. So hopefully the WD-40 or the lubricant you use should make it loose, but to make it easier, grab the end here with some mold grips, push it forward, mold grips here, and pull it out. And the WD-40 and the extra little bit of force that you can get on the mold grips should loosen and remove the stuck bit on your DeWALT Impact Driver. So hopefully that gets a stuck bit out of a DeWALT Impact Driver for you. If it does, smash that like, smash the subscribe, and thanks for watching.